Hi again. Here's a bonus track for you. To make perfect salmon, you get your pan smoking hot. You put olive oil, seafood seasoning, and the seasoning of your choice on both sides. And you sear it for 90 seconds. Super quick, just enough to form a skin on the outside so that the juices stay inside. That's what you want. Seared on the outside, raw on the inside. While this is searing, you get your oven preheated to 425, because after we sear it, we're going to put it in the oven for 10 minutes. Flip it. And that's it. Sear it, bake it for 10 minutes. Perfection.
Pro tip, for a medium center, you actually only need to bake it for 8 minutes. Enjoy!